Hello everyone, my name is Nitin. So let me explain error in saving BGC form. Many students are facing this issue and they are switching to another tabs and switching to another Chrome browser, and they are some people are opening incognito tab. Now let me resolve this issue. So this is our main concern in our NextStep portal while solving BGC form. So after filling permanent address or address details, so directly we come to educational details. So while you click save progress or save continue, you people are facing this issue, and they are asking to other peoples and why I am getting this issue, and the people are saying that you should clear cache or cookies and some other things, and sometimes some people says that you should try on incognito tab or another web browser or something else, but here that is not the issue. So here the actual issue is, so let observe here. First we fill personal details, and once we fill personal details we click save and continue. Okay, we click save and continue. Then after we move to academic and other details. So what happened here, let observe here one thing. So once if you click on save and continue, you can observe, you can mark the blue tick mark, it means the section has completed. So and also once if you come to the academic or other details, so after entering, so you no need to enter marks, or you no need to correct your CGPA. So for most who are pursuing, so they don't need to change the CGPA, then you can change later. And first then you no need to click save and continue. First try click save and continue. If it is work, then go with gap details or reference details. So if you are facing error saving in BGC form, just don't panic, just observe here blue tick mark. If blue tick mark has appeared in blue color, then go with filling gap details and reference details. And the most important thing is, you should, if you have gaps, then fill it with consistency based on your application details. Don't manipulate it, it will create false statements. Okay, after filling gap details, click on save and continue. Don't panic with error, just leave that error and move to reference details. So while you are entering reference details, you should give your corresponding your faculty or professor, or it could be any, and don't give your brothers or sisters or your relatives, just give your academic faculties or professors. Then while filling reference details also, the most important thing is you don't write like this in your college name. Let us take example, my college name is Auroras. Here don't write this, I don't know how to say this. Don't write like this, just write like this only. If you have college name like some colleges like Vignans, don't write like this, just write like this. And enter every details and click save and continue. So definitely the issue is going to be 100% solved, trust me. Just follow this, don't panic, and don't clear cache or cookies and browser history and going to another browser tabs. Just follow these my steps, your issue will be 100% solved. Thank you.
ఆహా విధాడిందిరా నీతో నీ వింత నాటకం.